In a world filled with dreams, ideas, hopes, and promises, Excel is the story of a dream that started 35 years ago in Pakistan. Excel Group is a growing business with 5 major companies.
I am Adil Mansoor, founder and chairman of Excel Group. Engineering is the backbone of our group. Our journey in engineering started in 1984 under the guidance of my late father, Muhammad Shafi Chaudhry, when we founded Excel Engineering to produce parts for the tractor industry. With the blessing of Almighty Allah, Excel Engineering has evolved into one of the biggest manufacturers of automotive parts. In June 2016, Excel Engineering acquired Hussein Engineering Karachi, which manufactures car, truck and bus parts. I am so proud to say that people who are working with me in 2017 and most of the people are my staff members are working since 1984, and the average stay of our workers in my factory is 20 years.
In a short span of time, our engineering units have become first choice vendors for the leading OEMs of Pakistan. Our foundries have engineered molding lines including mechanized sand system, conveyors for handling molds, knockouts for separating castings from molds, plant for washing sand before molding is in place to ensure premium quality. Resin sand is used for molding complicated castings. We manufacture a range of complex castings and produce cores using diverse methods like core shooter and speed pneumatic fixtures. We have a range of induction and cupola furnaces with combined capacity of 35,000 tons per annum. We have fully functional Fettling Shops with hanger and rotary shot blasting machines, using pneumatically operated chisel and grinding machines for cleaning of parts. The paintwork is carried out using baked and oxide spray paint. We have independent machining lines for mass production of machined parts, which include world-renowned NC, CNC, SPM, conventional and in-house developed machines. This process is constantly monitored to ensure precision of every component. We also have pneumatic and mechanical presses, hammers, machines, induction heating temperature-controlled furnaces, normalizing and salt bath units, carbon dioxide welding, flash and butt welding for producing sheet metal, forged and fabricated parts. Our quality control team is the true reason we proudly stand for excellence in engineering. They work independently, solely focused on maintaining quality from procurement of raw materials to final delivery. We have equipped our quality control team with sand laboratory, chemical analysis, CE and spectrometer, UTS microscopes, CMM and multiple calibrated gauges. They maintain ISO quality standards at all stages and are now focusing on leading us to achieve 5S. Development of new parts in this ever-changing environment is our key area of strength. Technical data sheets and drawings are thoroughly studied by our designers before creating illustration for carrying out production. We specialize in brake discs, brake drums, flywheels, exhaust manifolds, transmission casings, axle housings, pulleys, and a diverse portfolio of industrial castings used in energy, cement, sugar, and others.
We believe in dreaming big and then turning these dreams into reality.